companies involved in this sort of new technology of pesticides. Bayer, Dow, Syngenta, Valent, they all got their hands in it. I'm going to be talking a little.
Can you indicate anything about damage to the environment caused by those kind of species in Amazonas or Brazil? About the swamp beetle in that area?
You know what? This is interesting. I know that the cruiser is labeled as an insecticide, but in Brazil it's labeled as a plant growth regulator because it can increase grain yield by 15%. So I don't know what's happening to the honeybees in Brazil when you apply this much insecticide. But I do know that cruiser is under investigation here in the United States because it is so effective and it is so cheap that I think some of the growers are overusing it and we're having issues with beneficial insects. Okay? But because cruiser is a systemic, then it is not released into the environment. It's there on the pellet that's in the soil. I hope that helped. I'm running a little bit late on finishing on time. I just want to use this last slide to give you some idea about where the industry is heading with these type of new chemicals. This is what Syngenta is marketing. All of these different new chemicals are all approved in California now. They're labeled for many vegetables: carrots, onions, brassica, leafy greens, melons, and tomatoes. Leafy greens includes lettuce. The thing about this umbrella effect with the different chemicals, with the fungicides and the insecticides, is that you can put this stuff on the pellet, and not only is this plant now protected against most seed and soil-borne microorganisms, but it is also protected against a host of different insects as well. The big problem and what they're going to be working out in the future is that this systemically, the protection on the plants only lasts for 30 days. They're using microencapsulation of these different chemicals so that you might have a release of these chemicals right next to the plant over the period that the crop is in the field. Bill, I guess that's about it.